Hey there! Instagram is still my favorite social network to date, and I keep discovering new things about it. Today, I want to share a few things with you which many people don't know about it. Instagram has started showing more and more advertisements on their main page, and there are many of us who love to follow their favorite people, but sometimes there is a good chance you miss what photos they have uploaded. If you don't want to miss any photos from your favorite person, just go to their profile, tap on the three dots and tap on notifications. Next time when they post something, you will be notified, and this can be done with any user profile. If you love the filters of Instagram, then you should know this hidden trick of filters. Sometimes you just want to see the filters you like most and in the order you like it. You can even hide some filters if you want. When posting a photo, scroll all the way back to the right, and here you will see settings icon. Go into this menu, and here you will see the list of all the filters which you can rearrange and hide or show it to your own liking. There are some times when you like something on the browse page of your Instagram, but when you look for it again, it is impossible to find it. There is one way by which you can see all the photos you have ever liked. Just go to your profile, tap on the three dots and scroll down until you see the post you have liked. Here you will see all the photos you have ever liked from the starting of your profile. A few months ago, Instagram introduced a Save Photos feature for everyone, but there is a hidden trick to that which many people don't know about. Under the photo on right hand side, there is a Save button. If you hold that button for a second, you will see an option to create your own personal collections folder. You can give a name to it and add photos to it. I use this feature all the time to save some of my favorite portrait photographs. And I even save a lot of outfits for inspiration on dressing up. And remember, these folders are private and no one else can see except you. There are thousands of people around the world who post stories on Instagram daily, and there is a good chance you must be also posting some stories. But those stories are only for 24 hours. Let's say you want to see your story which you posted few months ago, and you want to see that photo, but there is no way you can find that photo. There is a hidden way with which you can do that. Go to your profile, tap on the circular plus icon, and here you will see all the stories you have ever posted, and you can save them to your device. Also, you can use this feature to keep your stories permanently on your profile. This is called highlights. There will be no time limit of 24 hours, but the catch is other people will only be able to see if they visit your profile. When you're uploading a new photo and you don't want other people to comment on it, then before tapping the share button on the description page, you will see advanced setting. Tap on it, and here you will see an option to disable the comments. If for some reason you want to clear your search history of Instagram, you can do that by going into the profile page and then tapping on the three dots and keep scrolling down all the way to the bottom, and here you will see an option called clear search history. Tap on it and give the confirmation. Now when you go back to the search page, all your search history will be deleted. Sometimes your friends might tag you in a photo without asking you, and that photo appears to everyone on your Instagram profile. Instagram lets you choose a privacy setting which does not let any other people to tag you in a photo without your permission. Just go to your profile one more time, tap on three dots, and here you will see photos of you option under the account settings. Tap on add manually. Now next time when your friends tag you, they will need permission from you to do so. One bonus tip is that you can follow me on Instagram, which will keep you updated when I'm about to post my new video. And if you like this video, please share this with your friends and press the bell icon for instant notifications. Until then, take care of those pixels.